How to fix app appearance on Snapchat. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to go is you're going to go on the Snapchat app on your mobile, and in the Snapchat app you are going to go on the main home page. As you are in the main home page, then you have to go on the profile option that is up above, and then you have to go on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, and over here you have to scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see there is no option for app appearance over here. So in order to get app appearance over here, then you have to go and clear cache, and also you have to clear all the data of your Snapchat, but this will all delete all of your data. If you want to keep your data, but then you cannot be able to fix app appearance on your Snapchat. But if you want to delete the data, if you're ready enough to delete the data and get the fix app appearance button, then you will be able to get it. So you have to clear the cache by clearing it over here, and then you can also clear the data by going back into the main screen and going to Snapchat, long pressing it for some time, and then going to I option that looks located up above, or you can go to the applications by going to settings, and then you can find it over here. Then you have to go on storage, and then you have to clear all the data over here. This is how you can fix app appearance on Snapchat. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.